No smoke?
All right, folks, there we go. Ken Gordon has the box. He's ready to come in with a beautiful paradigm of German engineering, the Expert 300, 540 Aero. Here's the high bench spin from behind to the right, folks. Kicking right runner with a hard push of the stick. He's at the bottom, folks. Now a quick shoulder roll before Ken gets turned around.
Yeah, flying sideways.
Yeah.
That's
All
crazy.
Right, here he comes from Airshow left. Ken Gordon's getting turned around. The maneuver he likes to call the Tower of Power. This is really going to wow you, folks. Ken Gordon, there we go. Oh, this is fast. That airplane can really move. 2 snap rolls just to loosen things up. And now, going uphill, ladies and gentlemen. Back to Airshow right now. Keep an eye on him. We'll do a half loop to get back into position.
And then Vader Audi. More.
The aircraft, 900 feet, 90 miles an hour. It rolls into the serpentine launch box. Watch this, folks.
Whoa!
Hanging on the motor. Just hanging.
The Rumble Tumble with Ken Gordon. Several tumbling moves. The secret is keeping the propeller as a big gyroscope. Force the aircraft tail over nose. The Rumble Tumble, folks, he made it look easy, didn't he? Man, this happens fast. All right, the Hunky about to turn around. Just a quick one to the top. And Ken gets to relax for his next maneuver. The one that he calls the snake fire. Since Ken Gordon got turned into competition aerobatics, we asked him to do some precision flying for you today. So here is Ken's signature precision pass. With a roll and a quarter to 9 dash and 3/4 snap to inverted. Here it comes. 1. 2. Beautiful flying from Ken Gordon. How's he doing on that gun? Watch this. There's 4 points on the up line, 4 points to the vertical roll, and he's hanging. There's the hammerhead turn. Now watch him scramble his brains on the way down. Yeah, there's the step roll. Looking good. One of my favorite Airshow maneuvers, folks, is the slow roll. That really does point out just how smooth an aerobatic pilot can be. You got to do everything. You got to do everything. Slow roll to right, fast roll to left. And now, there he is. He's up in the torque roll, hanging on that prop up there, folks. Look at that. It's like he's hovering in the air, then sliding through the smoke. What a nice ride there from Ken Gordon today. All right, folks, this one Ken wants to dedicate out there. This is the beautiful Extra 300 Diamond Loop. Ken's turning some altitude into some energy into altitude there. He's coming up now to the down line. They're getting an aircraft at 150 miles an hour. Wow, that is so many inside that loop now. Inside of all right, you like the tempo? Watch this. Watch this. There you go. Looking good. Which way is up? Beautiful outside tumble. Okay, we talked about hanging on the prop just a moment ago at the top of that short board. Kent was just about parallel park, but how about a little slow motion? Let's watch Ken Gorsh get set up. Nice job there, Ken Gorsh. Folks, little turnaround maneuver now. The airshow pilots like to call the Humpty Bump because it has an H-U-M-P just like that over the top. A first one pushing us too easy. Let's watch Kate Clark square this one off. This is the square loop. Here it is, the hammerhead kick around, folks. What a beautiful turn. All right, folks, here's the Spanish one. Dos, tres, cuatro. Nice job. Here it is, folks. This is the slider over the top. Watch this. Look at this. He's just like he's pushing it around there. The ball is not in the center on that turn, folks. Wow, that was a nice turnaround for Ken Gordon. All right, folks. You like to see this here?